Hey everyone, what if I told you there is a pacemaker smaller than a grain of rice that can go inside the body, do its job, and then dissolve on its own without needing another surgery to remove it? ये कुछ साइंस फिक्शन नहीं है, ये रियल पीयर रिव्यूड साइंस है. This breakthrough comes from a Northwestern university and it was published in a prestigious journal Nature. Researchers have developed a temporary bioresorbable pacemaker. It's about the size of rice grain. It helps regulate heart rhythm for a short period. And once its job is done, it naturally dissolves inside the body. मतलब एक ऐसा पेसमेकर जो परमानेंट नहीं होता, सिर्फ जब जरूरत हो तब काम करता है and then quietly disappear, like a good friend or a friend who everyone needs in their life. So jokes aside, let's come to the point. Many patients, especially newborn babies with congenital heart defects, don't need lifelong pacing. They just need temporary support. While the heart recovers, normally a pacemaker is implanted and later another surgery is required to remove it. For heart patients, especially infants, this second surgery can be risky and traumatic. वहीं पर ये राइट साइज पेसमेकर गेम चेंजर बन जाता है. नो रिमूवर सर्जरी, नो एक्स्ट्रा ट्रॉमा. This pacemaker works very differently from traditional ones. It has no battery. It is powered wirelessly from outside the body. It sends controlled electric signals to regulate heartbeat. It's made using magnesium and biodegradable polymers. These materials are biocompatible, meaning the body can safely dissolve them over time. काम खत्म हो जाता है तो डिवाइस धीरे धीरे डिसॉल्व हो जाती है बिना किसी सर्जरी के. Unlike traditional pacemaker that stay inside our body forever, this one is temporarily, minimally invasive, and designed to disappear after healing. This reduces infection risk, recovery time, and overall healthcare costs. Basically, काम खत्म, device खत्म. Let's clear one thing very clearly. This pacemaker does not heal the heart. It does not cure heart diseases. And it does not work without implantation. And honestly, if you are expecting some kind of miracle from it, it is not possible. Not possible yet. It only supports heart rhythm temporarily while the body recovers. ये ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है, ये एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम है. Right now, it has successfully tested in animals. Human trials are still limited and in early phase. It's not available in hospitals yet. So yes, it is a major scientific breakthrough, but not a consumer product yet. This technology represents the future of medicine, a future where devices don't stay forever, surgery is minimal, healing happens naturally. फ्यूचर मेडिसिन का मतलब है जब जरूरत हो तब मदद करना एंड देन क्वाइटली साइड पर हो जाना, लाइक अ परफेक्ट फ्रेंड और परफेक्ट रिलेटिव. दिस इज हाउ रियल साइंस वर्क्स, quietly, carefully, and with real impact. If you enjoy fact-based, no hype science content, then consider subscribing. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसी और रिसर्चेस सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन करें, देन कमेंट जरूर करना. Until next time.